The Ukrainian aircraft attacked the enemy cluster in the Kursk region 3 times. In attempt to recapture Nikolayev, Russian helicopters attacked a few positions. The invaders were defeated and forced to retreat. Ukrainian aircraft and helicopters attacked the enemy cluster in the Kursk region 3 times. This has been reported by the Operational Command South. The aircraft, according to reports, attacked Russian army forces in the Kursk, Kakhovsky and Bereslavsky districts. A missile strike on a control point and a cluster of Russian equipment was also carried out in the Noeva Kaka area. In the last day, the enemy lost 72 personnel, 1 self-propelled howitzers, hostas, and 2 unstable 1 mortar complex, 75 armored vehicles, 2 ammunition depots, and 1 with fuel reserves. Simultaneously, 3 Russian Mi-8 helicopters attacked AFU positions in the Bereslavsky district in an attempt to recapture Nikoletta. However, the enemy failed, and the helicopters that were forced to avoid Ukrainian weapons retreated. According to the command, the situation in the Black Sea remains unchanged. The adversary is ready with 20 cruise missiles and 3 large landing crafts. Furthermore, the occupiers are spreading word about a militant school seizure in the Odessa region. Using this type of propaganda, the Russians are attempting to justify their possible miscalculations in hitting obsolete missiles. Remember how the APU shut down the Merlin-VR, a Russian experimental drone? The air defense unit shut down a drone equipped with a hybrid engine designed to operate silently during combat missions. The invaders struck Nikolayev once more on June 19th. 1 child has died, while another has been injured. The shelling caused damage to residential buildings and infrastructure facilities.